this is Cabby. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone preparing for their driving test. The top 5 driving test mistakes you didn't know you were making. That is what this video is about, and these common but often overlooked errors can significantly impact your chances of passing. By identifying and correcting these mistakes, you'll be better equipped for success. So let's get started right away. First on our list is failing to check your blind spots. Many drivers rely only on their mirrors for visibility, but mirrors cannot cover every single angle. Blind spots are areas around your vehicle that can't be seen through mirrors, particularly on the sides and rear. Before changing lanes, merging, or making turns, it's crucial to physically turn your head and check these blind spots really fast and really quick. These steps ensures you that you are quite aware of any vehicles, cyclists, and pedestrians that might not be visible in your mirrors. Missing these checks can lead to dangerous situations such as cutting off another driver or not seeing a cyclist. Developing the habit of checking your blind spots will make you a safer driver and show the examiner that you are attentive and cautious. Rolling stops and stop signs. This occurs when drivers slow down but fail to come to a complete stop. Even if the intersection seems clear, it's essential to stop fully behind the stop line, crosswalk, or intersection. This full stop is required by law and is a key part of safe driving. Rolling through a stop sign might seem harmless, but it definitely reduces your reaction time and can lead to missed opportunities to see a pedestrian or other vehicles. During your test, the examiner will be looking for a complete stop, so don't cut corners. Make it a point to stop for at least 3 seconds and proceed only when it is safe. Practicing this will not only help you pass your test, but also make sure that you're following the rules of the road. Next on the list is improper lane usage. This mistake encompasses a range of issues, including drifting out of your lane, not using your turn signals, or failing to stay centered in your lane. Drifting or swerving can signal a lack of control or awareness, which can be concerning to the examiner. Proper lane usage is crucial for safe driving. Always keep your vehicle centered in your lane and use your turn signals every time you change lanes or make a turn. Turn signals are not just a formality. They are a way to communicate your intentions to other drivers, which helps prevent accidents and misunderstandings. Make sure to practice smooth lane changes and maintain consistent lane positioning to demonstrate that you're in full control of your vehicle.
Real quick, I made the Driving TV Ultimate Guide, so you don't waste hours reading boring stuff that you don't even need. This is straight to the point, exactly what they'll test you on. You'll know what to expect on the test day, what maneuvers they want, the requirements, everything. I even packed in 100 real DMV questions and answers. If you want to pass on the first try, grab it now, links in the description.
Inconsistent speed control is another common mistake. This involves speeding up and slowing down erratically or not adjusting your speed to match road conditions. Driving too fast can be dangerous and may give the impression that you're reckless, while driving too slow can make you seem uncertain or unconfident. Maintaining a steady speed that's appropriate for the conditions is key to safe driving. Practice adjusting your speed smoothly based on factors like traffic flow, road conditions, and speed limits. This will help you stay in control and show the examiner that you can drive safely and confidently. Remember, consistency in your speed reflects your ability to handle different driving situations effectively. Finally, we have incorrect mirror adjustment. So before starting your driving test, you need to make sure that your mirrors are properly adjusted to give you the best possible view of your surroundings. This includes adjusting your side mirrors and rear view mirror to minimize blind spots and maximize visibility. Many drivers forget to adjust their mirrors incorrectly, which can lead to missed vehicles or obstacles. Now take a few moments to adjust your mirrors before you begin driving to make sure that you can see clearly in all directions. Proper mirror adjustment not only helps you avoid blind spots, but also demonstrates to the examiner that you are well prepared. Make this a part of your pre-drive routine to improve your overall driving safety. That wraps up our list, guys, of the top 5 driving test mistakes you didn't know you were making. By addressing the common errors and incorporating these tips into your driving practice, you'll be better prepared to pass your driving test with confidence. Remember, the goal is not to pass the test, but to become a safe and skilled driver. Thank you so much once again for watching. And do not forget to comment and subscribe to Driving TV for more tips and tutorials that are definitely coming up soon and you might not want to miss. I wish you nothing but the best of luck on your driving exam. Make sure that you practice. I always advise all my beginner drivers to practice a lot every day if possible before your road test. And alrighty then, with that being said, thank you again so much. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.